A new video from Digital Scrabble beginning to help to make the right decision. 28-Day Keto Challenge. Are you ready to participate in a challenge that will change your life? How many times have you tried to eat healthier and lose weight but are always frustrated with the results? What is missing for you is a new challenge. The 28-Day Keto Challenge will help you achieve all your goals. A complete guide to the 28-Day Keto Challenge will eliminate all the frustration that to this day has been demotivating you to continue in a life transformation. In the description link, you can have more information about this special challenge that will change your life. The 28-Day Keto Challenge plan will help you every step of the way. A lot of information is available to you. These are fundamental topics for you to achieve the change you desire. 1. You'll learn the basics of the keto diet, how it was developed, how it works, 13 tips for success, foods to enjoy, and more. 2. In this guide, you'll get 10 breakfast recipes, 14 lunch recipes, and 14 dinner recipes, plus the companion 28-day meal plan calendar. 3. You'll learn how to get into ketosis in as little as 3 days, how to know if you're in ketosis, and much more. 4. Learn how to calculate your macronutrients and maintain the proper ratios to stay in ketosis. 5. What the keto flu is and how to make it go away quickly if you experience any symptoms. 6. Learn about 5 different styles of intermittent fasting to kickstart ketosis and accelerate fat loss. 7. Discover healthy ways of dealing with social pressures. Includes tips for eating out and guidelines for drinking alcohol. This is what makes weight loss sustainable. 8. This cookbook contains 36 mouth-watering fat bomb recipes that will satisfy your sweet tooth while keeping you in ketosis. 9. Discover 5 unique keto-friendly ways to prepare avocados. Yum! 10. Learn about 12 of the best keto supplements to help you transition to ketosis and make the ketogenic diet more effective. This is a great opportunity to start a new challenge with a guide that will help you daily. But remember, a miracle didn't happen overnight. You need to commit to each step of this challenge, and at the end of it, your life will be different. Click on the link in the description and get more information about the challenge and what people who participated in it are saying about their results. By signing the challenge, you can receive a special gift. Do not waste time.